Are you guys ready? Today we are going to do another Can You Solve This GRE Math problem? But it's the hard edition. So get ready for this problem. The first couple times I tried to do it, I had a lot of good ideas, but they led me astray. So it took a while to figure out. I really want to see how it goes for you. I think you can totally do it, but it is specifically challenging. And so I'm going to show the problem on the screen for a minute. Feel free to pause it so you can take a stab at it, and then I will walk through the problem, show you how it's done. Let's read our problem. Parallelogram PQRO lies in the XY plane as shown in the figure above. The coordinates of P are 2, 4, and the coordinates of point Q are 8, 6. What are the coordinates of point R? So we need to find point R. I'm going to call it X, Y for now. And I can fill in my other points here just so that I can see it clearly. Q is 8, 6, P is 2, 4, and O is the origin, so that means it's 0, 0. All right, the next thing I want to think about is, what do I know about parallelograms that I can use to find some information about point R? And what I know is we have opposite sides are both congruent and parallel. So that means that PQ is parallel to OR and PO is parallel to QR. And we can use that information to our advantage because parallel lines have the same slope. And the slope formula is going to use the X and Y coordinates of a point. So we should be able to create an equation or two equations that will let us solve for X and Y. So remember, the slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I'm going to start with the slope of a line that I have both coordinates for, and then I'll do it again to find point R. So we could do either PQ to OR or OP to RQ. I think I'm going to do PQ, just why not? So let's find the slope of PQ is going to be 6 minus 4 over 8 minus 2. 6 minus 4 is 2, 8 minus 2 is 6, and so the slope is 1/3. Now, how do we use that to find R? We know the slope, so our slope is 1/3, right? That's the same. PQ and OR have the same slope. So 1/3 is going to be the same slope for OR, and now I need to put change in Y, so it's Y minus 0, over change in X, X minus 0. So 1/3 equals Y over X. I can reorder that, cross multiply. I get X equals 3Y. I like this as my kind of relationship because I can stop doing math here and instead look at my answer choices. If X equals 3 times Y, Y is a number that when you multiply it by 3, you get X. All we have to do is look at our answer choices to see which ones behave that way. So you can see immediately A, B, C, those I can cross out right away. Now D and E, both of them have 2 for Y. If you plug 2 in for Y, you get 6, right? Because X equals 3 times 2 is 6. And so that means E is our answer, 6, 2. So make sure to let me know how it goes in the comments. As always, if you have any specific GRE problems you'd like me to cover, leave them in the comments. I would love to make a video for you walking through that problem. And we'll see you next time. Bye.